We're in today with the GTX 555. This is a 2011 video card with 288 shaders. It's got 1 GB of VRAM GDDR5 running at 736 MHz on the core clock, 957 MHz on the memory clock, 192 bits bus width, DirectX 11, and today we're gonna pet it up with this E5 2699 V4 with 22 cores and 22 threads with hyper-threading disabled. This is a very unique video card, but the best thing we can do, just jump in a couple of games and see how it holds. Let's go. Alright, let's start with GTA 5 and see how it's performing here on 1080p with normal details. If on 1080p I get playable FPS, then that means there is a chance for me to utilize this video card in a story mode. I can go with low resolution and go online if I'm interested. I got over 60 FPS in this situation, but I think that VRAM is gonna be loaded. In this situation, you can see that the video card temperature is good, stays around 60 degrees. I put the fan around 70% power in order to keep the video card cool. I didn't want to put 100% fan power because it sounds very squeaky. It's a blower style. So in this situation, you see that, yeah, it's holding pretty well. I got 255 watts consumption from the Wolf with this computer. So I got no problem on utilizing this video card in GTA 5. Let me see. So I got normal details 1080p DirectX 11 and advanced graphics. I don't have frame scale mode on. Do you believe it? It runs fantastic with this type of settings, and can't say nothing bad about it because it's a video card that I will be able to use every day. I'm online. I got 60 FPS. The moment I pick up speed, you notice that the FPS tanks below 60 FPS. I got 906 megabytes of VRAM. So in this situation, whenever I'm driving this road, I get that specific performance that I want from online. You know, online is totally different from single player. You can see that it's doing a fantastic job on utilizing this video card. You know, last time I played and I won this car, I was so disappointed, but all of a sudden I realized dude, the downforce on this card is insane. This is one game that I want to play on a video card like this or something related, but hear me out. 555, yeah, 2011 game, yes, 20 FPS, 1080p, maximum details. Imagine buying a video card, then you buy a mid-range video card, the game launches, and you say, I got a new video card, why can I play on maximum details? But look at this, 17 FPS. You know, I think you have to go lower on the resolution. Let's try 720p. See, this is getting better. This is more interesting. So on 720p, I got 80% load on the core. I got 52 degrees, 750 megabytes of VRAM. In some situation, I seen getting to 90% load on the core. It's utilizing the video card properly. 900 megabytes of VRAM, apparently. It's maximum this video card can offer. In this situation, the temperature is good, FPS is constant, so the MS is flat. So can't complain. So 720p 1366 I think is the resolution for this video card. There's no denying on this occasion. You know, see, I can play the game really nice, maximum details. So yeah, I'll take this as a big win for the video card. This is how it needs to be. This is one game that I want to see if it's working with maximum details on 720p. 720p with maximum detail. I'm not joking. Enchanted, full dynamic light, everything, but it's 720p. So I got 250 watts consumption in this situation with this computer. 60 degrees. This is the first game that is using 921 megabytes of VRAM, maximum load core in this case, with this video card and this system. Definitely an interesting configuration here with 6.6 gig of system RAM used and only 5% load on the CPU. I mean, that CPU has no problem in this case with 38 degrees, doesn't have any stress, is good, doing a fantastic work. So yeah, all in all, this game is running really nice on this video card, but you have to put the right resolution. You know, you want to play the same games from the same year this video card was made, you have to lower the resolution and you can max it out. This is the pattern, you know. So in this situation, you can see the video card is doing a fantastic job. There is no problem on delivering the FPS. 942 megabytes of VRAM, so it's getting higher and higher. I think it's gonna reach that level of utilization. 42, 90, 100. I think 900p is possible with this video card, and if I use VSync, it's gonna distress the core and it's going to be quite adequate. So all in all, soccer it's possible to be played with this video card on maximum details. Definitely an interesting performance from this video card in this game. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually working really nice. I got nicer performance with maximum details. Looks okay, is running perfect, so I have no problem on utilizing a video card like this. So like I said, if you put the right games, apparently you are in luck with this. The moment you start making some effects, you see you got like 80-90 FPS on average, 650 megabytes of VRAM. That's good. The moment you leave the building, you're gonna get more FPS. Let's see if we can actually go. Yeah, that's it. There's nothing I can say bad about it, because it's offering me exactly what I want from this computer. It's offering me exactly what I want, you know, to play the game in such a good way that it doesn't influence this GPU's performance. Everything is good in this case, so I like it. I like this performance this GPU is offering in the game. 255 watts consumption, so all is good. On the temperature side, it's kind of worrying, you know, 65 degrees with 70% fan speed. I think it's yeah, questionable, you know, because I want more performance from that, you know, from the video card. The moment I put 100% fan speed, I cannot hear nothing because that blower is very loud. So all in all, I will say this is decent because the system is not stressed. If I jump in this game with 720p with medium details, you're gonna see I get 60 FPS on average, 70-80% load on this occasion with 846 megabytes of VRAM utilization. 65 degrees in this occasion is good. I think there is a lot of room for buffer in order for this video card to survive in the game. You know, 720p is good. Medium quality, it's okay with this game, so I will say this is definitely the right quality in this case. 720p with medium details, it's adequate, because the moment I go in a fight, the moment I go outside walking, you can actually see there is 20% left for buffering, and I want that. You know, the game is utilizing the system okay-ish, only 8.4 gig of system RAM utilized with 10-15% load on the CPU. I like this attitude from this video card, because if I want to go even higher in the resolution, I can put it on low details. There's a lot of options here, and if I want more resolution and performance, I think lowering the quality would be okay. It's an awesome performance with medium details with 720p. Seriously, I like it. On the other hand, in this game with 720p with low details, you're gonna see I got 60 FPS. I put it on 720p because low details, apparently it's okay-ish with this video card. I got 99% load on the video card score and 60-70 FPS in this occasion. Temperature is good, it's under 73, so if I can get that temperature, it's okay-ish. In this situation, you can see that if I move around the map, I'm gonna load up the VRAM. So all in all, this video card knows how to deliver the performance. Only thing I have to do, adjust that resolution and the quality in order to get the best performance in this case. Look at this, he's doing a fantastic job here with delivering me some nice entertainment. Yeah, oh, it feels good. Oh, I want to play Wukong. I want to play, you know, the new games, but I don't have the hardware. No problem. This game apparently is working really nice with this old video card. How about Batman? 720p maximum details. In this situation, you can see that the video card is doing fantastic. Last time I was here, the video card didn't perform really well. So in this case, I will take the biggest win ever with this video card. I like this quality that this video card is offering, but I have to put it on 720p in order to get the most out of this. So if it's got 80-70% load on the core, and when I go in the fumes and particles, you know, with the physics, I think I'm gonna load up the core at maximum. Look at that, 86-90%. See, I knew it. That 20% buffer is gonna be useful here. 90% load here in the smoke and fog. Look at that. Holy smoke. Exactly, holy smoke with physics. I like it. I like this attitude this video card has with games like this, you know. 720p, it's okay, you know, it's loading up the video card properly, nearly 900 megabytes of VRAM and 99 100% load on the video card score. I'll take this. I freaking love this idea of physics with NVIDIA video cards. It's cool, you know, to see you're working properly. So holding 60 FPS constantly without any problems. Do I like the performance? Yes, this is the right game. How about Mad Max with maximum details on 720p? Well, 40 FPS in this case with this video card. I'm gonna lie, it's a very interesting performance with this, but maybe in the future I'll find something similar. I want to see if I can get a normal performance from this, and maybe if I get lucky, maybe an SLI. But I don't know, it's very weird to see this combination in this game. I like the performance because it's very volatile. 50 FPS in average. You can actually see that with maximum details I got a lot of VRAM utilization. It's doing the job, you know, the video card itself. The video card it's on maximum here with 7.8 gig of system RAM only used, and the CPU doesn't have any problem. So the GPU is getting hot a little, you know, 66 degrees in this occasion with nearly 900 megabytes of VRAM. So if you look at the map, if you're driving, you're gonna get definitely some spikes in the game. You know, the frame time is passing 20 and it's not okay in this case. But with high details will be okay, maybe medium details. You managed to see today a lot of games that if I adjust correctly on 720p, I get the best performance for this video card, and I like it. There is options for this GTX 555 to actually perform really well. All in all, I love the performance this video card is offering. There is no problem. I remember buying this video card, is broken less than 10 pounds long time ago, and it was broken. I used the power supply to find the short capacitor in the back, managed to just snap it off. No desoldering, I'm not joking, just use a tweezer or something, pop it off and that's it. It's got a very squeaky sound, you know, when you start like and that's it, and it moves on and it works. I don't care. For a very long time I have this video card, you understand, and it's working really nice, and I'm very proud of it. And I'm actually curious, how's the sensor here with the temperature? 49. It's okay-ish, you know, with the temperature. It's not a very powerful video card. 700 megahertz on the core is not that demanding, you know, considering it's a Fermi video card. I will say the temperature is holding pretty well, you know. If I go higher on the Fermi, then the thermal paste is going to be horrible and I'm gonna get a lot of problems. All in all, I like the performance this video card is offering. Do I recommend one? If you can find it cheap, that's it. If you can find it cheap, it's good to spare this video card from not being recycled. That's it. It's got a 1.6 connector in the back, so all in all, it's not very power hungry. You manage to see the video card and the computer itself managed to consume only 250 watts. So 250 watts for a Windows 7, I have Windows 10 today because I want to see maybe in the future if I get lucky to find another one cheap. It will be fantastic, you know. And with this machine I can actually do that because they got 16x PCI Express lane. So it's very important to see the performance in the machine that you want in the future to see them together. So today was all about games that are compatible with SLI. If you manage to understand that theme, it will be nice, you know, to prepare with one single video card, and then if in the future I will make a reference to this video that I made today. Right, you remember when I played with this 555? Now I'm playing with maybe. I love the video card because I got it cheap. It's a privilege. I can't say nothing bad about it because I'm grateful that I managed to play with it today and it was still working. If you have any suggestion for this video card or for the system, leave a comment and I will see you very soon.